Indian Forces personnel arrested a youth in the Shopian district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the youth identified as Farman Khurshid was arrested during a cordon and search operation in Kundalan area of the district. Meanwhile, search operations were also carried out in different areas of Poonch and Rajouri districts. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India has illegally turned the entire occupied Kashmir into an open-air prison since 5th August 2019. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC in a statement in Srinagar said BJP regime is using military and police establishment to wage a war on the oppressed people of Kashmir to intimidate them into submission. Hundreds of people, mostly farmers, traders and transporters, held a protest demonstration in Srinagar against the brutal policies of the Indian regime targeting the business sector in occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the protest organized by the trader unions and Jammu and Kashmir Apple Farmer Federation was held at the press enclave in Srinagar. Civil society members have deplored that India is not showing any seriousness in resolving the Kashmir dispute despite the passage of more than 3 decades to the lingering dispute and treating the territory as its colony. According to Kashmir Media Service, civil society members in a meeting in Srinagar said India is violating international laws and agreements by depriving the Kashmiris of all the basic rights. Jammu and Kashmir National Panthers Party staged a protest in Jammu against the corrupt practices of the Bharatiya Janata Party, symbolically torching what they branded as the BJP's washing machine. According to Kashmir Media Service, the party accused the BJP of harboring corrupt politicians for the political gains. Led by the party president Harshdev Singh, JKNPP activists rallied with the slogans condemning the BJP's association with corruption. Fear of reprisals from the Hindutva government of Narendra Modi and the extremists in India, Netflix and Amazon are abandoning numerous projects and shelving their productions that have already been filmed. According to Kashmir Media Service, when the American streaming giants Netflix and Amazon Prime landed in India 7 years ago, they promised to disrupt one of the most important entertainment markets in the world, recalls the Washington Post in an investigation published a few days ago.